I am doing a Squarespace refresh on this website, and as I'm going through the service pages, I just wanted to hit record and show you a few important things that hopefully can help you with your own Squarespace website, and mainly the importance of checking your mobile design as you are laying out your pages. So I'm coming in here, and with my Squarespace package, I basically take websites that maybe you've DIY'd or that you want to elevate a little bit, and I just come in here, give you a couple hours of my time, and I go through and I just reorganize and redesign things a little bit. And with that comes needing to also look at mobile as I do these things, and I'm going to show you the importance of that. So I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to show you how I'm doing this. I've saved a header section so all of the services can have a similar header design, and change out the text here. And what I'm doing is taking some of the text that he already has. I'll show you this cool thing that Squarespace can do. I'm going to paste it up here as the tagline. These three little dots up here in the top left of the text editor is actually Squarespace AI. So if I highlight this text, I'm going to say simplify. It's going to take that text and just simplify it into something else. I don't want to have duplicate text on the same page, but I want it to say the same thing essentially. So we've got that there. I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to come check out the file name of this. So it doesn't have a name, but it's got numbers I can search for. Actually go with this one because there's more space for us to use. Go Hoagies. Okay, position that there, and then we're going to come down here. I'm going to make some design changes, and then I'll show you what I need to do on the mobile. What I've been doing is giving all of his images slightly rounded edges, and I'll come up here. So you can see I'm adding a shape here. I'm moving pictures around, resizing them, and when we do that, the mobile changes too, and if you don't address it, it'll look really funny. So I'm going to quickly make my changes here so I can show you the mobile. Also want to show you something that I just learned today, thanks to a Squarespace Circle email update. When you have all this extra space down here, all these lines of blocks, if you double click this blue arrow, that all goes away, which is a new trick that I will be using all the time for sure. So we've got our desktop page organized the way I want. If I come over here, you see the blue little circle in the top corner of the mobile view. That means there have been changes that have been made that need to be addressed on the mobile view. So we're going to click into that, and you can already see it didn't stack my text on top of the shape here the way I wanted it on the desktop, and there's some awkward spacing here. So we just need to clean it up. Nothing crazy, we just need to tighten it up and make sure it looks just the way we want it on mobile as well. You don't want people to come to your site and there just be random white blocks and all this extra spacing. So the whole point of this video is to show you how important it is to not only edit on the desktop view, but always after you set the desktop view, come into the mobile view and make sure it looks just as good too. And also, if you'd rather I do this for you, go check out my Squarespace refresh page at designingtherow.com/services, and I'll do this for you. But for right now, I'm going to keep going here on Brad's site, and I will see you in the next video.